Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers users a seamless and secured experience through a wide range of amazing and cool features. The exchange features a spot and futures market and is currently rated as one of the top 5 futures exchanges worldwide. It is licensed to operate in the United States, Australia, and Canada and features over 200 top cryptocurrencies. Bitget also features 11 language selections, including English, Spanish, Italian, French, and Japanese. Its official partners include Top Soraya Club, Juventus, and PGL Major Stockholm 2021. On Bitget, users get to experience competitively low fees and a wide range of innovative products, including a one-click copy trading feature, trading without converting tokens, and a leading derivatives exchange that supports USC margin. One of Bitget's most popular features is the copy trading feature, which has attracted almost 20,000 experienced traders and over 80,000 followers worldwide over time. Bitget has many amazing features for all users. Whether you are an experienced trader ready to share your wealth of trading experience with others for a percentage of their profits, or an amateur trader willing to learn from more experienced traders, Bitget has something for you. What's more, you can enjoy all these and more perks without a KYC verification process. Like what you've heard so far? Then stick around till the end of the video as we do a detailed review of Bitget and all its amazing features. Let's quickly examine some of the features of the platform. Why choose Bitget? Bitget is an elite cryptocurrency exchange with many amazing features. They include great copy trading feature. A quick look at the copy trading tab on Bitget will reveal why this feature is so popular with traders and copiers alike. Suppose you are completely new to trading and don't have the faintest idea of what to do. Bitget lets you copy the trading strategies of experienced traders who, in turn, get a small percentage of your profits. The Copy Trading tab on Bitget features the profile of several professional traders from which you can choose. Before you decide to copy a trader's techniques or not, Bitget will show you all you need to make the important decision. On the first page of the Copy Trading tab, you get a list of the top traders on a platform with their ROI, total profit, and loss in a 3-week window, win rate, number of accumulated followers, and their assets under management. These criteria will allow you to ascertain how successful a trader is so you can make the best choice for your portfolio. Once you settle on a trader, adopting their trading strategy is as simple as just one quick click. You only have to follow them and click on the copy button to get on their list of copiers. The platform will also allow you to make a few changes if you wish to customize your trading strategies. You can choose from 3 leverage modes: future setting, follow the trader, and customized. You can also fix your own copy trade amount and other advanced settings to get the best from the feature. These features allow you to copy a trader while still staying well within your means. Do words like future setting and leverage modes sound confusing to you? Bitget will help you through that with the helpful prompts and guides available on the platform. For example, if you hover on future settings, you get this helpful guide. It says, open a position according to your own futures leverage, which has nothing to do with the trader's leverage. It also gives a detailed example to make things clearer. These prompts and guides are available everywhere on the platform. So if you get stuck somewhere, just hover, and you will know what you are getting into. Popular traders get full on the platform. This means they can no longer take on other followers. You can still join them later by using the slot reminder button. When a slot opens up, Bitget will send you a notification so you can join them. Mobile app and great customer support. Another great feature of Bitget is the mobile app, which you can easily download on the App Store for iOS users and Google Play for Android users. The apps provide a seamless experience, and you can take your trading with you anytime, anywhere. Plus, the customer support on the platform is top-notch. You can use the live chat feature, send them an email address with your queries and challenges, or simply click one of the many guides available on the platform. Bitget does not have a tier system or other complicated payment systems, unlike some other platforms. The platform also offers competitively low fees. Users pay a taker and maker fee of 0.1% for spot trading. For futures trading, the platform charges a taker's fee of 0.06% and a maker's fee of 0.02%. Users who choose to pay with BGB token, the native token of the exchange, will enjoy even lower fees with an additional 20% discount. What's more, users can make deposits without paying any fees at all. The platform allows you to make as many deposits as you want without spending a dime in deposit fees. However, the withdrawal fees depend on the cryptocurrency to be withdrawn. Here is a list of the over 220 cryptocurrencies on the exchange, withdrawal fees, and minimum withdrawal amount for each. You will also not incur any additional copy trading fees except for the 10% that goes to the trader whose strategy you copied, and that is only when you make a profit from following their trading strategies. Mouth-watering welcome bonus. We left the best part for last. Bitget will give you not $50 or $100, but up to $153 as a welcome bonus when you sign up on the platform. That's $153 that you can use to pay transaction fees, funding fees, or as a margin to open a position, plus many other great use cases. Here is a breakdown of the bonus. Up to $100 first deposit bonus at a $20 coupon as a first trade reward for both UST and coin futures, at a $30 coupon as a reward on your first copy trade, a $3 coupon upon completion of KYC verification. How to get started on Bitget. Signing up on Bitget takes only a few clicks. In less than 5 minutes, you can have your own Bitget account. The platform requires a simple phone or email registration. You would be required to enter your phone number, where you will receive the verification code. Like any other website, you will also have to set a secure password and confirm that you are not a robot. Then you are in. The next step is to deposit into your newly created account. You can do this by hovering on the Assets tab in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and clicking Deposit. On the next page, you will be required to choose the coin you wish to deposit in the chain name for multi-chain coins and tokens. You then get a deposit address, which you can copy or scan through the provided QR code. You can also buy cryptocurrencies using fiat currencies through the exchange's payment gateways, Mercurio and Banksa, which both support Apple Pay, Google Pay, MasterCard, and Visa. This feature is convenient and quite easy to use. However, don't forget that you will have to pay any charges incurred for using these platforms, but Bitget doesn't take any fees on deposits. As soon as you have enough funds in your account, you are ready to start trading on Bitget. The spot and futures markets are also located on the Assets tab on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can easily follow the prompts for spot trading. Also, remember to hover for a definition if you come across an unfamiliar term. For the futures trading feature, the exchange offers some options. You can go with the USDT settled perpetual futures or the coin futures if you have anything specific in mind. It supports coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDC, and many more. You also have the option of using the demo accounts for both options before you get into the real thing. Remember that you can always opt for copy trading until you get more comfortable doing things on your own. You will also get pop-up prompts with concise and easy-to-understand explanations as you progress on the website. The Bitget website and apps are very easy to use and straightforward. It is also very easy to withdraw your trading profits from Bitget. You can find the withdraw icon under Assets. It directs you to the withdrawal page where you fill in the required information, including coin name, chain name, withdrawal address, and the amount you wish to withdraw. The platform will show you how much you have available and the withdrawal fees for the transaction. There you have it, our detailed review on one of the top 5 futures exchanges on the market. Whether you want to trade yourself or use the copy trading feature or allow others to use your trading experience to make a profit, out of which you get a percentage, Bitget has got something for everyone. For more information about the exchange or to get started on Bitget, please click the link in the description button below. Thanks for watching the video.